Dragon Boat Festival is the most important summer festival in China. On this day, people participate in dragon boat race and eat Zongzi, a type of Chinese glutinous rice dumpling. Today, let's make cute Zongzi dumplings together. The materials we need are clays, pigments, and clay tools such as scissors, indentation tools, paintbrushes, and a pen. Part 1. Shaping the Zongzi. Today, we will make 3 Zongzi. First, shape the Zongzi leaves. Roll the green clay into long strips and press them flat to form leaf shapes. Use an indentation tool to create the veins on the leaves. Repeat this process for 2 more leaves. Now we have 3 Zongzi leaves. Next, shape the rice balls. Prepare 3 pieces of white clay. Let's roll them from circles into triangular shapes. Let's make 2 more rice balls. Then, roll the red ropes. Prepare 3 pieces of red clay. Let's roll them into red ropes. Now we have 3 red ropes. Finally, wrap the rice balls in Zongzi leaves and tie them with the red ropes. Here's a little tip. Tie a beautiful Chinese-style knot with the red ropes. Use a pen to draw cute facial expressions on Zongzi baby dumplings. Add a touch of blush with a brush. Wow! They are so adorable, our 3 Zongzi baby dumplings. Dragon Boat Festival is here. The Zongzi baby dumplings are keen to ride a bamboo raft. Let's make a bamboo raft together. Part 2. Shaping the bamboo raft. First, prepare some brown clay and 2 portions of flaxen clay. Next, roll the yellow clay into flaxen ropes. Then, shape the brown clay into bamboo strips. finally, use the yellow ropes to tie the bamboo strips together. Let's invite our Zongzi baby dumplings onto the bamboo raft. They are truly adorable. Now it's your turn to make your own Zongzi baby dumplings for Dragon Boat Festival. Happy Dragon Festival! Thanks for watching.